Welcome to the micro practical. That is about your isolator and a circulator here. So we have two devices. One is about a isolator, another component is about a circulator here. So we learn a practical about a isolator and a circulator. We need a setup for this. So we consider that we need to give the input to the isolator. So now the role of an isolator generally in a practical, it provides a forward signal propagation there, no reflection comes here. So now it is a okay, we can say that it is a forward coupler. Okay, or it is about your signal will be directed only in a forward direction. So now suppose we say that this one is about your isolator, it is just like a two port. We provide the input to the one of the port, output will be available at port 2 because it is about a forward directed coupler or a device. So now if we provide the input to here at this particular port 2, output will not be available at port 1 because here inside ferrite material is there, and because of that ferrite material and the twist, okay, so generally in isolated twist and ferrite material is used, and so that's why that whatever the reflected power reach at that particular port 1, so it will be absorbed there. So now this is about your isolator. In isolator we connect the isolator as the input here and we measure the output at this particular port. Okay, to measure that we need to connect a detector there, so we'll get the output. Right now I'm just right now if you see that I'm just connecting the isolator here. Okay, I'm just going to use the isolator to connect, using the screw here. Okay, now I'm not going to tighten it properly there completely, and then another screw is to be used to connect the detector. Now this one is about a detector. Now if you see that I am just holding this one, so now I am just getting the output, that is the forward direction, and output is about a 3 volt. Okay, if you see that output and the CRO will get the output. Okay, so that's about your output we will get in the CRO. Okay, so like that. You can see that output, there is the available output here. Now suppose I am changing that, interchanging the port now. If I am interchanging to the port 2, likewise, here port 1 is the input. Instead of that, supposed to be I am going to change it to the input here to the port 2. There should not be output to become at this particular port. Okay, that is about your. Okay, so now I am just going to tighten it. Okay, not in deep there. Okay, slowly. We can use a screwdriver to tighten your component so that we are able to do the practical there. Just I am just holding it in one hand. This one is about your port 2 input, and here is about your port 1 output. Okay, there is small output. Okay, reflected. Generally, practically, we are getting the output. There is about very small 340 millivolt something. And output, if it is in forward direction, it is about a 3 point something volt. It is about a millivolt. So isolator work for what? Only in forward directed output. Only forward direction. No output. Theoretically, you say that no output is to be there at the part. Okay, port. That is about your isolator. Next about we have a circulator here. In a circulator, we consider that here. So we have a circulator. We consider that circulator, that is about a 3 port one. So this one is a circulator. We have a circulator. It is about a 3 port one. So role of a circulator is what? We can consider that when we provide the input here. Okay, so whatever the next port will be there, n plus 1. Okay, next port there will be output, and other ports there won't be any output. So output is circulated to the next port, so that's why we can say that it is about whatever the directions we can say. Okay, if supposed to we say that this will be the port 1 and this will be a port 2 and this will be a port 3. Okay, port 1, port 2, port 3. So if we provide the input to the port 1, output will be available at port 2, no output will be available at port 3. So that is about your circulator. Okay, whatever the next port, n plus 1 port will be there will be an output. So use of a circulator in a satellite or a transponder there, where we have used a single antenna for transmitter purpose or a receiving purpose. Now suppose I am saying that this one is a port 2 and I am connecting the antenna here, port 2, and we provide the input to the port 1, we will get the output at port 2, antenna is connected, okay, because it is transmitting one, no output will be available at this particular port. If I provide, input means transmitter here and antenna here, so power will be transmitted. Now it's supposed to be, I am used as a receiver, so receiver is to be here. So transmit, that antenna will be act as a receiver, so we can have a receiver here, transmitter and receiver. Means single simple antenna can be used using this circulator. Means we can use that circulator in a transponder or a satellite. Now to perform the practical, we need to connect this circulator. Okay, one of the arms is to the circulator. Already setup is there. That setup in which we have considered that a reflex is on, and we have considered that there will be out. Right now I am just going to tight one of the arm here, one of the particular port there. Okay, so that we should get the output clearly. Otherwise, what will happen? We lose the output. We will not get the output. So setup is about a reflex system we have. So in that particular reflex system, here the beam voltage is about. We have considered that beam voltage. Okay, repeller voltage appropriately, so that we will get the output right now. Already we have made the setup. Now consider that port 1 is the input right now. So other port is to be a output, and whatever the remaining port we have, that is to be a match termination. So I am just connecting a match termination here. So this one is about your match termination. We say that here we have a match termination here. This one is about a match termination, and here we will connect a detector now. Okay, so because this circulator, so we will get that output right now. That is about a port 1. We say this one is the port 1, and this one is the port 2. Now there is match termination, and port 3 some output is there. But right now, if you see that it is about n plus 1. So if we are providing the input here and we are getting the output in this one, this will be a 1 and this will be a 2. So now this should not be any output. Okay, if we see that the n plus 1, because 1 is input here. So right now this one is the port, we are getting the output. Now suppose I am just interchanging it. Instead of connecting a match terminations here, I will connect a match terminations here. So else we should not get any output there, because n plus 1 port is satisfied, because as per the practical this will be input, that port 1, or can say n port, and this will be at this port will be act as a n plus 1 right now. Okay, I am just going to type this one so that we can easily see that there should not be, see that here. Okay, so we can consider that. Okay. Now here output reduces now. Okay, so this one is about your the circulator now. We consider that input. Next n plus 1 port, there will be output. Okay, so this way we can perform the practical of the circulator. So then we will interchange it and verify that which port will be next consecutive port, and according to that we can perform the practical of a circulator and an isolator. That's all about your practical of a circulator and isolator. Okay, so we will see next practical. Okay, thank you all of you.